today is pears and rice.
Yeah, it's going.
Pears and rice.
You just kneel or you want to sit?
No, I usually sit there.
Well,
Okay, now. Keep your hands down.
Oh.
See, he likes to help out.
Oliver.
Let's get a few in there before I let you hold the spoon, okay? I'll let you hold the spoon later.
I'll tie him down.
Good baby. That was a good scoop.
That's good, Oliver.
I like how you're opening your mouth.
Yeah, he is, isn't he?
Boy. Good. Sometimes it just does a
Are you
little bit.
zooming in on him, Dad?
Good boy. That was a good opening.
He's doing it better. He's doing it better. Are you hungry?
Gotta wait till you're really hungry. Good baby. So what's all the fuss all about? What's all the fuss about?
Oh.
Good boy.
Good, Oliver. Good baby. You eat good at Nana's house, don't you? Most of the time. Oh, there goes one
That's
finger.
okay.
Well, this will keep this one. Okay. Okay. It's coming. It's coming.
Here you go. Yeah, you like to put your fingers.
Is that rice cereal?
Yes.
He does, yeah, he does that. At least keep one out. I'll hold one hand.
I guess I'll have to figure out, Mom, how to give you, like, either pour the vegetable or fruit into a separate container like that, because we don't give them the whole jar.
Okay, yeah, I have some little. Well, you have like some extra. Well, is that?
You heard of that?
Something.
Okay, you want to hold the spoon after that time? I'll let you hold the spoon.
Look at him, Daddy, won't let go.
Give it back.
He's like saying something.
Thank you. Oh, no. Good, huh? You doing good?
That is a good spoon. See, mine just is the metal. You got that soft part on the end. My old ones don't have that.
Oh, I got it. Thank you.
They didn't do that in the old days.
Oh, is that a soft spoon?
Up the end
Coated
is
with
soft.
Oh, I see. So he can gum it.
Yeah, if he
Okay.
wants to.
Oliver, don't get distracted now that your famous on camera. You still have to eat to grow. Why are you going to do this to everybody? Would you like some pears? We could make some with those. Oh, yeah, you're messy. How about a sip of water? Some water? A little water. Let's rinse.
Oh, look at that. He's holding it.
Wow.
He's pretty good.
Second.
Sometimes he does. Right then he didn't. No? No more water? A little more? There you go.
Here it goes.
Just to clear your palate. Good boy.
Look at the one.
What if we do a little pears? Now this is sweet. Different.
Ooh, look at that tongue. Look at that tongue.
Yummy, huh? Pears are yummy.
Can you get them close up, Dad? You just got them in the side. I'd get them from the front angle. Cause he's
Good boy. That's good.
look at that tongue.
There you go.
Good. Is that good?
Good baby. Scoop.
No, don't put the scoop in there. Let's keep at least one hand in the bib out of your mouth. Look at that tongue. Yeah, he's doing a lot more interaction.
Yummy.
Tongue in there. What you think, sweetie? So yeah, that's a good idea, just to bring it and not refrigerate it. Yeah. Ooh. Has he had the fruit about a week now or so?
I introduced this pears yesterday.
Oh.
So he's done peaches and pears, and we've got bananas to give. Oh, it's leaking out the bottom, Oliver. Are you swallowing this, honey?
Yes, I can.
You want to get up?
Okay.
Okay. Ready to sign off.
More of the same.
Bye. Yep.
Say
No.
bye-bye.
Working on it. Bye-bye. Say
Bye-bye.
Oliver. Say bye.